Did you know that over 4.6 million people sell on Etsy today, but less than 10% ever reach consistent sales or go full time? Now here's the kicker. Most of those who fail aren't lazy. They're just unaware of the exact steps that lead to Etsy success. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build a profitable Etsy shop from scratch, even if you have no design skills, no audience, and zero experience. Stick with me, your breakthrough could be in the next 16 minutes. Why Etsy is still worth it. First off, why Etsy? Etsy is not like Amazon or eBay. It's built for creators, crafters, and handmade hustle. From custom jewelry in India, to digital planners in Canada, to African Ankara fashion in Nigeria, Etsy's global marketplace connects creators to over 90 million buyers. If you love creating, want to work from home, or have a side hustle idea, then Etsy is the perfect playground. You don't need to be a tech guru, just someone with the right strategy and a bit of grit. Step 1. Discover your profitable niche. Now let's talk niche, the foundation of your entire Etsy journey. Imagine you're at a massive market. You don't want to shout, "I sell everything." That's noise. Instead, whisper something unique to someone who needs it. That's how niche works. Here's how to find your niche. 1. Look inward. What do you enjoy making? Jewelry, art, knitting. 2. Combine with demand. Use Etsy search, eRank, or Marmalade to see trending products. 3. Spot the gap. What are others missing? That's where you step in. For example, instead of just selling candles, try personalized zodiac candles with custom birthdate quotes. That's hyper niche and searchable. Prompt. Pause this video and drop your niche idea in the comments. I want to see your creativity. Step 2. Set up your shop to attract, not repel. Your shop is your storefront. If it looks messy or confusing, people bounce. Here's your setup checklist. Shop name. Simple, relevant, and memorable banner plus logo. Use Canva to design these for free. Bio section. Share your story, even if you're just starting out. Policies. Clear shipping, returns, FAQs. Quick tip. Use brand colors to build trust, even if it's just 2 shades. Look at top sellers and see how they stay visually consistent. Step 3. Master product listings, SEO plus psychology. Here's where people lose money without realizing. Poor product listings. A great listing should have a keyword optimized title, include a detailed but friendly description, be packed with relevant tags. Etsy gives you 13. Use all. Good example. Boho wall art. Printable neutral poster for bedroom. Aesthetic home decor download. Bad example. Wall print. Very vague and unsearchable. Use long tail keywords. Think like a buyer. What would I type in to find this? Bonus. End your description with a CTA like. Add to cart before it sells out again. It triggers urgency. Step 4. Product photography that sells. You don't need a DSLR to take great product photos, you just need strategy. 5 must-have shots. 1. Clean product on white background. 2. Close-up of details. 3. Lifestyle shot, your item in use. 4. Size reference photo. 5. Packaging or unboxing shot. Pro tip. Natural daylight near a window is gold. Avoid filters that distort color. One blurry or dark photo can kill your credibility. People shop with their eyes. Show a split screen of bad versus good. Etsy photo samples. Step 5. Price it right, no guesswork. This is where most creators either undercharge and burn out, or overprice and scare people off. Let's break it down. Formula. Product cost plus time value plus Etsy fees, plus profit margin equals price. Example. Materials. $5 time, 1 hour, $15 Etsy fees. $1.50 profit. $8 total price equals $29.50 test pricing by comparing with similar listings. If you're too cheap, people assume it's low quality. If you're too expensive, justify it with premium packaging or personalization. Insert overlay. Never price without calculating. Step 6. Etsy SEO. Getting found. You can't sell what people can't find. Etsy SEO helps your product appear in search results. Here's how to master it. Use tools like Etsy's Auto Suggest, eRank, Alora. Add keywords in titles, tags, descriptions, alt text for photos. If possible, avoid keyword stuffing. Keep it readable for humans. Think. Handmade gold hoop earrings. Minimalist jewelry gift for her. Cut to Etsy search page showing a high-ranking listing bonus. Personal branding plus customer loyalty. This is what turns one-time buyers into raving fans. Share your personality in your packaging. Post behind the scenes on Instagram or TikTok. Reply to every review, even the bad ones. Offer thank you coupons or handwritten notes. People don't just buy products, they buy connection. Add animation of 5-star review screenshots and thank you cards. Final wrap up. You've just unlocked the blueprint to Etsy success. Pick your niche, build your shop right, take photos that sell, price with confidence, master SEO, build your brand. Now it's your turn. So, if you are thinking of what to sell inside your Etsy shop, these are the top fast-selling products on Etsy One. Digital downloads. These are hot because they're instant and require no shipping. Printable wall art, budget planners, journals, resume templates, wedding invites, social media templates, especially for Instagram and TikTok, digital stickers for iPads too. Personalized items. People love custom stuff for gifts and events. Name necklaces, custom mugs or tumblers, pet portraits or cartoon-style drawings, engraved cutting boards, monogrammed baby clothes, wedding gifts with names and dates. 3. Craft supplies and tools. Yes. Etsy is also a hub for other sellers looking for supplies. Digital SVG files for Cricut beads, charms, and jewelry making kits, embroidery patterns, stickers, and scrapbooking supplies. 4. Jewelry and accessories. Minimalist gold jewelry, birthstone rings, custom initial necklaces, friendship bracelets, handmade hair clips. 5. Home decor, especially small, shippable, aesthetic items. Boho wall art, macrame, posters, soy candles with unique scents, plant pots, planters, crochet items, pillows, throws, custom doormats. 6. Clothing, niche or custom, funny graphic tees, baby onesies with messages, handmade robes or caftans, personalized family PJs, trendy tote bags. 7. Seasonal gifts. These trend around holidays, but always sell fast. Valentine's Day gifts, Mother's, Father's Day keepsakes, Christmas ornaments, graduation frames or mugs, teacher appreciation gifts. Hot tip. Combine two things like digital plus personalized right pointing arrow, custom printable name art jewelry plus custom right pointing arrow hand stamped name bracelets. If you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next. I have a series on passive income, Shopify, and print on demand stores too. Comment below what your shop idea is. I reply to every comment.